Dundalk Middle School, this is Alexia.
And Destiny.
Bring your morning announcements
on WDMS News.
Today is Tuesday, April 19, 2016, B-Day. Today in history.
Here's a look at this day in history. April 19th.
In 1775, the shot heard around the world was fired by the British at Lexington, Massachusetts, and the American Revolution began. On this day in 1956, American movie actress Grace Kelly was the image of a fairy tale princess when she married Prince Rainier of Monaco in a public ceremony. In 2005, Cardinal Joseph Ratzinger of Germany was elected Pope and took the name Benedict XVI. And in 1897, the first Boston Marathon was held. It started small, but today some 20,000 runners take part in one of the most prestigious events of its kind in the world. Competitors from several continents, as well as thousands of regular folks, race through the city streets, willing to hit the wall to prove their mettle in the 26.2-mile contest. And that's this day in history.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated. Today's math problem is, the 4th grade students are going to the zoo on Earth Day. They will complete a series of projects about endangered animals. There are 130 students in 4th grade. There are 7 teachers and 3 bus drivers also going to the zoo. Use the data provided by your teacher and find the total cost for the trip without tax. Be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it.
Now here's Riley with weather and sports.
Question.
You have some inspirational stories, right, in sports?
Yeah, I do.
Can we start with sports?
Of course. Tatiana McFadden spent the first 6 years of her life in an orphanage in Russia and walked on her hands because the orphanage was too poor to buy her a wheelchair. Well, yesterday she won her 4th women's wheelchair race at the Boston Marathon. Also, Adrienne Haslett Davis ran in the Boston Marathon yesterday to honor all those who were injured in the bombing there. She had to run the race in a prosthetic foot since she was injured in that bombing. She had to take a break due to her legs swelling, but she completed the marathon around 7 o'clock last night. What an inspiration. Now for the weather. It was 52 degrees this morning. It will be partly cloudy today. We should reach a high of 76 degrees. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now back to you, Destiny and Alexia.
Thank you, Riley. Word of the day.
Today our word is compliment. An attractive table setting is a compliment to a well-prepared meal. Can you determine what compliment means? Once again, today's word of the day is compliment.
Students, remember that Pig Out on Books is going on until April 25th. Keep reading and filling out the forms.
Please return the summer STEM camp enrollment forms to Miss Goldcamp in room 215 as soon as possible.
The Maryland Black-Eyed Susan voting has been counted statewide, and the winner this year at the state level is Night Gardener by Jay Oxer. Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Destiny with a few words of wisdom. We all seem to want more and better. Things, that is. We want more clothes, we want more video games, a better CD player, we want a new computer or a new TV. We collect stuff like crazy. But in the end, how important do you think all that stuff is anyway? Is it more important than your character, your values, your beliefs? Listen to what this American statesman, Henry Clay, says. All of the things which belong to honorable people, not one is so highly prized as that of character. In other words, the most valuable thing any of us can possess is character, and character cannot be bought. It must be earned. So today, start collecting the stuff of a real prize winner by being kind, fair, and honest with yourself and others. With something to think about, this is Destiny. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. Now here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Team DMS. Tomorrow, your homeroom teachers will be giving out to you your MAP reports. These reports are very important. It shows how you performed in the fall. It showed you what type of growth you made for the winter. admission, and again, most students were able to make their MAP projected growth targets, and if you did not, you'll be able to see what level and grade level standard you are on. And that's a good predictor, boys and girls, of the success that you'll have in the upcoming PARCC assessment. So it's very important that those MAP reports go home. Again, you'll receive them tomorrow in homeroom, and I'll follow up with a Connect Ed call that your parents will receive between tonight and tomorrow night, letting them know to review your progress. But you should be proud of your progress, because overall, Dundalk Middle School did extremely well on the MAP. So congratulations to all of our students for your hard work, and congratulations to our teachers for providing you excellent instruction in a real positive learning environment. Students, remember to bring your A game each and every day. Coming to school with demonstrating excellent attendance. We had too many kids out yesterday. Coming to school with a positive attitude and applying yourself, and as part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to become a globally competitive graduate. Let's make it a great day, Team DMS, and make wonderful decisions that you would be proud of. Now back to Destiny and Alexia.
This is Alexia.
And Destiny. Have a terrific Tuesday.